All right, so today we are looking at this awesome portable picnic table. You see that it is small enough to carry. It is a little bit heavy, but it's got this awesome handle. If we want to set it up, it's really easy. You just pull it apart. All right, so a few things that you want to see here. First, you've got these locks, which are going to help you get it up and down. And then this will help lock it into place as well. Now you've got 4 different height adjustments, and so by pushing that in, you can go to fully adjusted. Here, let's leave it, well, let's put it at the highest so you can see. There we go. And then easily just flip it around. And you see, this is pretty high right now. So this is like bar size high. So if you're serving food, the highest height, I think it's 34 inches, and it's pretty high. This is higher than a normal picnic table. For your traditional picnic table, you go down a little bit, and go down. There we go. And here you see, this is your traditional height for a picnic table where you eat food. And this is perfect for 2 people, right? So it's just a small one for 2 people. Now I'm gonna fold it up. We actually got this to display some of our stuff inside because it's a narrow enough table that you can use this to display showpieces. So we're gonna fold it up and take it inside. To fold it up, you see it's locked here. So all you have to do is push this little button and it will unlock it, and then you fold it in. Then it's just gonna close nice and shut, and then it locks itself automatically, so you're ready to go. Here's the current Lego collection. It's pretty awesome, but we need a better display. So rather than having those 2 tables, we're looking at this table. And look what we have now. Just this awesome white display. It's nice and low, so perfect for a bedroom. Cool Lego table. And of course, this table has so many uses. I imagine we will use it for many more things. Really awesome product. Check it out.